Cats have a way of making even the most mundane parts of a home seem like the most fascinating places in the world, and one of their strangest obsessions is the bathroom. If you have a cat, you've probably noticed how they love following you into the bathroom, sitting in the sink, jumping into the bathtub, or even curiously watching the toilet flush. This seemingly odd attraction to bathrooms isn't just a random quirk, it actually makes perfect sense when you start to look at it from a cat's perspective. Whether it's the cool surfaces, the running water, the enclosed space, or simply their desire to be with you when you least expect it, cats have plenty of reasons for turning the bathroom into their personal playground. One of the biggest reasons cats love bathrooms is their fascination with running water. In the wild, stagnant water can be dangerous, as it may contain bacteria or parasites, while moving water is often fresher and safer to drink. Even though house cats have access to clean water in their bowls, their instincts still tell them that running water is the best choice. This is why so many cats insist on drinking from a dripping faucet, prefer water fountains over still bowls, or try to sneak sips from the toilet. The sound of water moving, whether it's the sink running or the toilet flushing, can also be incredibly intriguing to a cat. The way water swirls and disappears down the drain is something that simply doesn't exist in the natural world, making it endlessly fascinating. Some cats even develop a habit of waiting for their humans to flush the toilet just so they can watch the water spin down. Sinks and bathtubs are another major attraction for cats, and there are several reasons why. First, they provide the perfect shape for a cat to curl up in. The smooth, curved surface of a sink can feel like a snug little nest, making it an ideal place for a cat to lounge. The porcelain or metal material also stays cool, which is especially appealing to cats when they're trying to regulate their body temperature. On hot days, a cat may seek out the sink or bathtub as a way to cool down, since these surfaces tend to remain at a lower temperature than fabric or carpeted areas. Even if the sink is dry, a cat may still enjoy sitting in it simply because of how it feels. Bathrooms are also full of interesting scents and textures. The materials used in bathrooms, such as tile, metal, and ceramic, offer a different sensory experience than the rest of the house. Cats are naturally curious creatures, and they love to investigate new surfaces and smells. The lingering scent of soap, shampoo, toothpaste, or even damp towels can be intriguing to a cat. They may rub their faces against objects in the bathroom, marking them with their scent to claim them as part of their territory. This is why some cats seem particularly interested in knocking over toiletries or sniffing around the sink area after you've brushed your teeth. Another big reason cats love bathrooms is the privacy and security they provide. Bathrooms are often small, enclosed spaces with limited entrances and exits, which makes them feel safe and comfortable for a cat. In the wild, felines seek out cozy, enclosed areas where they can rest without the risk of being ambushed by predators. While house cats don't have to worry about being hunted, this instinct still drives them to seek out places where they feel protected. A bathroom offers exactly that: four walls, a door, and plenty of places to perch or hide. Some cats will even follow their owners into the bathroom simply because they see it as a bonding opportunity. If you close the door behind you, your cat may become even more determined to get inside. To a cat, a closed door is an irresistible mystery. They don't understand why they're suddenly being denied access to a room they usually roam freely, which only makes them more determined to get inside. Some cats also seem to enjoy the routine and predictability of bathroom activities. They watch their owners use the same spaces in the same ways every day, and this regularity can be comforting. Whether it's the sound of the shower turning on, the brushing of teeth, or even the flushing of the toilet, these repeated actions might be soothing to a cat in the same way that some humans find comfort in daily habits. In multi-cat households, the bathroom might also serve as a refuge. If a cat wants some alone time away from other pets or family members, they might sneak away to the bathroom for some peace and quiet. There's also a playful aspect to a cat's bathroom obsession. Bathrooms have plenty of things that move, dangle, or roll, making them a great place for a cat to entertain themselves. The toilet paper roll is an obvious favorite, as cats love the way it unravels when they bat at it. Some cats even develop a habit of completely unrolling an entire toilet paper roll just for fun. Hanging towels, shower curtains, and even dripping faucets can also provide entertainment. A cat might jump at the chance to paw at a towel hanging from a rack or swat at the strings of a bathrobe. They may also enjoy chasing their own reflection in the mirror, as some cats react with curiosity or even confusion when they see themselves staring back. Interestingly, some cats are drawn to bathrooms because of the warmth and humidity they offer. After a shower or bath, the bathroom air becomes humid and warm, which can feel quite pleasant for a cat. Some cats enjoy sitting in the sink or bathtub after their owner has showered, as the leftover warmth from the steam creates a cozy atmosphere. The smell of their owner's shampoo or soap may also be comforting, reminding them of the person they love. For some cats, being in the bathroom is all about attention seeking. They may have noticed that when their human goes into the bathroom, they tend to be alone for a few minutes, and this can trigger a reaction in the cat. Cats often want attention on their own terms. And if they see their owner disappearing behind a closed door, they might decide that this is the perfect time to demand interaction. Some cats will paw at the door, meow loudly, or even squeeze their way inside just to be near their owner. It's as if they suddenly decide that whatever is happening in the bathroom must be extremely important, and they don't want to miss out on it. Some cat owners even find that their feline companions insist on sitting on their laps while they're using the toilet. While this behavior may seem a bit too personal, it actually makes perfect sense from a cat's point of view. Their owner is seated, stationary, and unlikely to move for a little while. What better time to snuggle up and demand pets? The warmth of a human's lap is also an added bonus, making it an inviting place to curl up. Ultimately, a cat's love for the bathroom is a mix of instinct, curiosity, comfort, and playfulness. Whether they're fascinated by running water, drawn to the cool surfaces, seeking privacy, or just wanting to spend time with their human, their obsession with bathrooms is yet another example of how cats find wonder in the most unexpected places. Their love for sinks, tubs, and toilets may seem bizarre to us, but in their world, the bathroom is a paradise of mystery, fun, and intrigue. So the next time your cat follows you into the bathroom, hops into the sink, or insists on watching the toilet flush, just remember, they're not being weird, they're just being a cat.